Hello class 8, how your studies going on? I think you have completed your project also and studying also very well. So moving to your subject, that is we have already finished your 2 chapters, that is GUI and second chapter was Excel. Operating system and GUI. First chapter was operating system and GUI and second chapter was Excel. So we have already finished both the chapters, and still if you are having any problem and that 2 chapters, you can free to ask, you can free to comment, and you can message me personally to know so that I should know where you are having the problem. But girls, please be very serious to your studies and please try to complete your work. Whatever PDF has been sent to you, try to complete that project, try to complete that PDF work also, and try to complete your project on time, because any day you can get the submission date, and in that date only you can submit the project. And please don't delay it, on time please submit your project so that your project should be checked on time also. So coming back to the chapter, we have already finished 2 chapters. So today we will start the 3rd chapter, that is algorithm and flowchart. Okay. So what is flowchart? Giving some example, like every day we do the work. Daily basis पे हम बहुत काम करते हैं, लेकिन काम कैसे करते हैं? काम करते तो हैं, लेकिन उस काम को करने से पहले हम क्या करते हैं? हम प्लानिंग करते हैं. काम को करने से पहले हम प्लानिंग करते हैं. वी प्लान दैट. ओके, टू डू एनी वर्क वी प्लान दैट हाउ वी विल डू दिस वर्क. ओके, सो प्लानिंग कैसे करते हैं? बाय स्टेप वाइज. दैट फर्स्ट वी विल डू दिस. इफ नाउ लाइक वी हैव टू कुक एनीथिंग. ओके, वी हैव टू कुक एनीथिंग. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिसाइड दैट व्हाट टू कुक. First we will decide that what to cook. Yes, and then we will start that how to cook. First to decide what to cook and then to decide how to cook. And when we have decided how to cook, then what will be the process? What will be the process of that particular dish? Okay, like when we prepare tea. Okay, so tea has a proper steps that how to prepare a tea. We have decided that we have want to make cup of tea. That how to make the tea? Now that is a step. That first we will take a pan, saucepan, and then we will take water. Then we will put milk, and then we will put it on the gas. We will switch on the gas, and then after sometimes when there will be a boil, then we will put the sugar and the tea leaves. Okay, and then we will boil it and then we will serve it. Okay, so these are the process to make the tea. There are different ways to make the tea. Okay, it is not the one way. There are so many ways to make the tea. So each and every day first we plan anything and then we do any work. Without doing any plan we can't do any work. किसी काम को करने के लिए हमें एक प्लानिंग की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. अगर हम प्लानिंग नहीं करेंगे तो हम उस काम को ठीक से नहीं कर पाएंगे. विदाउट प्लानिंग अगर कोई काम करते हैं तो वो काम सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता है. ठीक है, if we doesn't plan anything, we don't plan any work and we do that work, then that work will be not be in a proper way. Okay, so when we are doing any work, we plan first that how we will do this work, in what process, how we will start and how we will end this. Okay, so algorithm is a producer of formula for solving problem based on a sequence of specific actions. An algorithm can be simply process such as multiplying 2 numbers or complex operations. It is not necessary that we are multiplying anything. We can solve any problem in algorithm, step by step. Okay, such as playing a compressed video file. वीडियो में कैसे हम वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं वैसे भी उसको एक एल्गोरिथम प्रोसेस से भी हम उसको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. हाउ टू प्ले अ वीडियो गेम, दैट आल्सो वी कैन एक्सप्लेन इन एल्गोरिथम प्रोसेस स्टेप बाय स्टेप. ओके, so generally we can take an example of daily routine, that how we go to school. What we do first, go to school. स्कूल जाने से पहले हम क्या करते हैं उसको भी हम एक प्लानिंग के हिसाब से करते हैं. तो what we do, we wake up in the morning, okay, we go to the washroom, we wash our face, brush our teeth, then we take a bath. Okay, after taking the bath we wear our school uniform, then we pack a bag, then we take our breakfast, then we wear the shoes and socks, and then we go to the bus stand, then wait for the bus. Okay, then bus comes, we get in the bus, it reached the school, we come out from the bus, we get inside the gate of the school, and then we go to our class, particular class. When we go to the class, that is the last process, that after reaching the class is the last process. So this is the way of daily a student's life. Okay, how to go to a school. Okay, it is a daily routine. Same way when we are doing any household work in home. Okay, now you are at home, so you do so many work at home. So before doing a work, you plan it. Okay, so planning is very important to do any work. Next comes the characteristics of a good algorithm. Characteristics of good algorithm. Okay, first one is precision. Precision means the step should be precise, start to be the point. Precise means whenever we are starting anything, we start with start. We write first start. Okay, step, the first steps will be start. Okay, precise, just started. Okay, next is uniqueness. Each step will be different from the previous one. It is not that when you are writing the first step, this will be the second step. No, first steps will be the different, the second step will be different. Means each step will be unique. Next is finiteness. When it should has a ending point. Should not be that ये solve ही नहीं हो सकता है. ऐसा कोई भी problem नहीं है जो solve नहीं हो सकता है. तो ऐसा ये कि ये है finite. इसका एक ending point होगा. It should have a ending point. Then fourth one is provision of input and output. The algorithm should be able to input give the desired result after processing. Whatever instructions has been given to the steps, it should give a meaningful information. ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है कि कुछ भी हम दे दें और उसका एक सोल्यूशन आ जाए. नहीं, जो भी हम देंगे उसका एक प्रॉपर होना चाहिए, कुछ मतलब होना चाहिए उसका, तभी एक मीनिंगफुल इंफॉर्मेशन हमें आएगा. जैसे 2 + 2 4 होगा ही, तो ये एक प्रॉपर है कि एक डेटा जो हम दिए हैं 2 + 2 उसका आंसर 4 ही होगा. ठीक है, 2 - 2 4 नहीं होगा, वो 0 होगा. ठीक है, वो 0 होगा, वो 4 नहीं होगा. तो हम कुछ भी जब देंगे, जो भी इनपुट हम देंगे, वॉट एवर इनपुट वी विल गिव, द इंफॉर्मेशन शुड बी अ मीनिंगफुल इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज फिफ्थ, द definiteness. Each step of algorithm must be defined. Okay, अच्छे से डिफाइंड होना चाहिए. जो भी स्टेप्स हम देंगे, जो भी स्टेप्स हम लिख रहे हैं, वॉट एवर स्टेप्स वी आर राइटिंग, इट शुड बी प्रॉपरली डिफाइंड. ओके, लाइक व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग इनपुट A, B, then second step C is equal to 2A + B. Means if you are adding two numbers, then we are properly defining it, that first we are taking two numbers, then we are second step we are adding two numbers, and the third step we are giving the result to that. So each step should be defined properly. Next is last point, that is 6th point, that is generality. The algorithm should apply to a wide range of inputs. That means you need to solve same kind of problem with different inputs. It doesn't think that 2 + 2 को लिखने का एक ही प्रोसेस है, 2 + 2 को लिखने का कई प्रोसेस है. ओके, एल्गोरिथम में 2 + 2 को लिखने के कई प्रोसेस है. Same problem has different ways to write in an algorithm. Okay, if we are making a tea, in the process shouldn't be the same. It should be in different ways. Any way we can write the making a tea. Okay, going to school also, we are not that a pattern has been given, in that pattern only we can write. No, you can write in a different way also, that how you plan to go to school. Different person have different plans in same problem. Okay, in same problem different person has different plan, because different person have different thinking. Okay, so different thinking have different plans. So it doesn't necessary that same problem has same process. Same problem can different process. Okay, understood? So today we stop here. You go through the video properly, and in the next video I will show you how to write an algorithm, and then I will show you that what is the difference of an algorithm and a flowchart. Okay, so girls, go through this video. If you are having any problem, then you are free to comment on the comment box. So stay home, stay safe, and thank you for the class.